And let's start with some breaking inputs coming in. There's no relief for activist Teesta Setalvad in the 2002 riots-related case. The Solicitor General has said that people were maligned, witnesses were tutored in the case. That's the latest coming in. Earlier, the Gujarat High Court had denied any relief. Aishwarya now joining us for more on this. Yes, Aishwarya, what's going on?
Well, no relief for activist Teesta
Aishwarya, if you can hear me.
In the fabrication case, certainly no relief for Teesta Setalvad, the activist in the fabrication case member.
All right, we'll go to Aishwarya Jain in just a bit. There's a problem in your audio, in the audio connection. Aishwarya will try and fix that, but after getting no relief from the High Court, Teesta Setalvad had moved to Supreme Court. And even here, there is no relief for Teesta Setalvad. Let's try and go back to Aishwarya. Aishwarya, if you can tell us more about the case in the Supreme Court.
Well, there is no relief for Teesta Setalvad, activist in the fabrication case member. The Gujarat High Court earlier dismissed the bail plea, and she needs to be surrendered immediately, and therefore Teesta Setalvad reached to the Supreme Court, and an urgent hearing took place today evening, where in the order, it has been categorically stated by the Supreme Court that Chief Justice should consider a plea, and therefore no urgent relief. It has been said in the order that after having heard the SLP for some time, we found out that we are unable to agree by deciding the prayer for grant to interim relief, and therefore it will be appreciated if under the orders of CJI the plea is placed before the application in the higher bench, and Teesta Setalvad should wait for it. Remember, it was in September back when Teesta Setalvad got the interim relief from the Gujarat High Court, and she was on bail, but certainly 2 days back it was Gujarat High Court which decided that the interim bail should be cancelled because there was certain evidence that was found against Teesta Setalvad, and therefore the reason perhaps she was asked to surrender her immediately before the Gujarat police, and therefore the reason perhaps she moved to the Supreme Court. But in the interestingly in the arguments that were placed by the Solicitor General and also Tushar Mehta, clearly it was said that in the last few months it was Teesta Setalvad who had been the one who could hamper the evidence, and therefore the reason they
right, just hold your thoughts. Legal editor Harish Nair also joining us on the phone line. Harish, important observation and arguments, please fill us in.
Yes, in fact, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta submitted before the Supreme Court, which had an urgent hearing, that in fact this is an attempt to keep the pot boiling, and Supreme Court had in fact said that Supreme Court that while dismissing Zakia Jafri and Teesta Setalvad's plea for reopening cases against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, bureaucrats and several politicians had earlier also said that their petition was nothing but an attempt to keep the pot boiling, and Supreme Court had given authorities the liberty to proceed against those involved in accordance with law. So, following Supreme Court remarks, Teesta, R.B. Srikumar, Sanjeev Bhatt, remember, Pranesh, were arrested by the Ahmedabad City Crime Branch in June, as Aishwarya was mentioning, after the FIR was registered against them for criminal conspiracy, forgery, fabricating documents, and placing false evidence in court. Very, very serious charges, Pranesh, to frame innocent people also by tutoring and influencing witnesses against then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi, who happens to be the Prime Minister of India right now. Gujarat government was of the view that Teesta Setalvad has conspiracy at the behest of senior political leaders to destabilize the then Gujarat government and receive large sums of money. In Gujarat Sessions Court, Gujarat ATS had named late senior Congress leader, even remember Ahmed Patel as a senior politician. So all this was going on. Now the Gujarat government says that Teesta Setalvad has not cooperated in the investigation and sought her arrest. Now High Court had upheld, and now she had rushed to Supreme Court. Now she has not got any relief. Teesta had rushed to Supreme Court after Gujarat High Court denied her regular bail.
Right, Harish, very comprehensive as always. Thank you for your inputs. We are moving on, viewers.